Now, in this lesson, we are going to treat articulation and pronunciation of sounds. So, what do we mean by articulation? What do we mean by pronunciation? What do we intend to get from this? So, our objective in this lesson, we're going to understand speech organs and their roles in articulation. We're also going to have some practice sessions on correct pronunciation and enunciation. We're going to treat some common pronunciation challenges and strategies for improvement. That is basically what we're going to be doing in this lesson. So, what are the articulation points in the body? Understanding speech organ is crucial for understanding articulation. What do you mean by articulation? That's the process of producing speech sounds. Simply producing speech sound is what we mean by articulation. So, what are the speech organs that we use in producing these speech organs? We have lungs, trachea, the larynx, the pharynx. We have the oral cavity. We have the nasal cavity. We have the tongue, the teeth, lips, the palate. All of these come together to help us in production of sounds so that we can make speech easily. So we have the lungs, the trachea, the larynx, the pharynx, the oral cavity, the nasal cavity, we have the tongue, we have the teeth, the lips, the palate, both the soft and the hard palate. These are the organs in the mouth, in the body that helps with the production of speech. So when we want to articulate any speech, we use either any of this. There is no how you're going to be producing your sound without the need of one of these 10 organs that we have mentioned.